Hi. So, in the last video, like we saw, this node was failing and it was showing doesn't have minimum availability. So the issue was like I created the Docker image based on the architecture as I was using Mac. So this node machines, like the Kubernetes is running the x86 architecture machines. So that's why the node was every time like it was trying to like create and then getting deleted and restarting again and again. And that's why the deployment was failed. So what I did was I like checked the pod, like I got the pod info and like checked what why this issue was happening, and it was giving me this pack of error, which is like the node is getting created again and again. So yeah, so I checked like what why this issue, and I got to know like this was due to the architecture mismatch. So what I did was I created a new image with like uh with like uh, compatible like the that image was compatible with both the architectures. So I created this image and pushed it to Docker up with this tag, and yeah, so the image was created. And now like what I did was I just uh, updated the deployment set image via kubectl, and I used the latest image which I pushed to Docker Hub, which is compatible with like both the architectures, and I like created the new deployment for it. And yeah, like now the nodes was up, pods was up, and it was working fine. So yeah, so now like when I created exposed the deployment via load balancer on this port 3000, I get like I got the responses uh, on the external IP. So if you see here, like I am hitting the request here on this endpoint, and I'm getting the root page like which I showed you in the earlier video. Like if I like show you again. Mm, give me a second. So let hit the request on the browser just for the check. Yeah, so like my application is up on Kubernetes. So if I hit some other endpoint, say to do's, yeah, I'm getting the responses. Yep. Let's hit one more endpoint. Yep. And one last, say some. Yep. So it's working fine now. Thanks.